Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to download and install 1Password on Mac operating system. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open Google Chrome and type 1Password on Mac. Okay, and click on that. On the first link, this is the official website, 1password.com. Here we have different operating system. You can choose the your operating system. My operating system is Mac OS, and click on that. Thanks for downloading 1Password. So let's open the zip file and install 1Password. Oh, my WinZip is expired, so I have to open with archive utility. Okay, I open that, and now I have to open the setup of 1Password. Yes, open. Check it's downloading 1Password. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Installing 1Password. As you can see, 1Password has been successfully installed on my Mac operating system. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video.